In the last 24 hours, not even that, I've made over $115,000. Actually, I think it's 116. It's climbing. And I ain't selling a damn penny. This is on BLENDR network. You can see here on the photo, right? $116,000. It's mad. My sandbox looking good. My OGPU. Yeah, man. And I ain't selling because I feel like this is just the beginning for it. And I said to you, if you've been watching the last videos, I've got to keep talking about this because I'm just seeing the opportunity. On all time frames, whether it's the 1 day, this is the 3-day time frame, BLENDR just looks so damn bullish. And I really hope that a lot of you took the opportunity to dollar cost average when it was down low. Some people were able to catch this right down here, 29 cents. The cheapest I caught it was about 32 cents, right? 32 cents. So yeah, this has just hooked me up in 1 day. And I'm not selling because I actually think I'm going to make over $1 million on BLENDR. Like I really, really believe so. 3-day time frame's looking great. You've seen this massive move up on the RSI. It's nowhere near overbought on the 3-day. I'm going to show you the week again. I feel like I need to just keep bringing this to show you what's going to come. Because it's happening, right? And you've got this cross on the stochastic RSI, which is the bottom one. Let me bring it above, where this blue line is crossed with the red line, and you can see here. Actually, can I make them brighter? I want to make it like a brighter blue. Can we like make it more? I don't know. There we go. Where this blue line's crossed with this sort of orangey red line, that indicates that the momentum's starting to shift up on the 3-day frame. That's good. Every candle that you see is 3 days worth of actions. Now notice every time we see this ginormous move up like this in this stochastic RSI, look what's happening to the price. Massive explosions. Last time you saw it go like this, look, all the way up like this. You see the massive price action, bang, all the way up. This time it's going to be bigger. And I think it can withstand it longer as well, because back here, we were coming sort of like at the tops back in March. You saw a massive sell-off, right? Loads of things, memes, a lot. And this is what happened. In March, everything started to fall down. And if you take away all the nonsense with this and that and there, this and that, and you just look at the time frame and the indicators and the price, the chart, you can just see that actually everything was falling down at that time. And now it's kind of reached this bottom and now it's starting to break out. It's just that simple. Let me make this red one more clear as well, make it more thicker. Oh, it's like an orangey red. So yeah, when this starts to turn up, I think buy momentum will seriously kick in. Well, it's already starting to, and this is where you're going to see things move, and this is where this is going to really extend up. And if we flip it to all time frames, my most popular time frames, the 5-day chart, look at this, bouncing straight off this yellow moving average that it has for itself, straight up. So much room for that. And then let's just take a look at the weekly, because this is the one that's like, yeah, this is the one where millionaires become made, because what we're looking at here is the long time. It's like a long-term investment. When you buy on this time frame, you're buying to hold long-term. You're waiting 6 to 8 months, maybe a year or 2 years. You're not doing no day trading crap, because you want massive growth. So in order to get massive growth, you have to catch this RSI, the relative strength index, when it's oversold, when it's been oversold for weeks. Right down here, it's just broken into this sort of mauve sort of area. You know, it's just broken into that. And now you can see it starting to elevate. And I said to you, watch, I think this is going to really extend. And then at some point in the future, we're going to come up and see it over here in the overbought. And when people are buying it too much, I really hope you're paying attention and buying now. Not financial advice. Got to keep it real, because I want you to reap rewards. I want you to make those gains. I don't want you to be one of these people, you see it up here and it's probably sitting about $10-15, and then people, you know, now you're going, oh, actually I'll buy some BLENDR now because it's $15. Nuh-uh. What is it? 63 cents, 64 cents. That's the time to buy. So I just wanted to show you that. I'm in massive profits with this already, and over the space of 24 hours, and I'm not selling until I see $1 million. Maybe I'll show you my portfolio on that when it gets there. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Pay attention to this. I'm liking it. It's fun. It's like I'm making money, but it's fun watching the chart. It's fun seeing this go. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.